an engine, and a body, dressing it in the most beautiful colors a racing car has ever worn. Now is the time to remember who we were, remember what we won, and return to the racing court. The past calls. Courage is needed. In the land of dreamers, the summit is up there, where the air is thin. Its engine will roar, and the sky will hear it coming up. The iconic silhouette has returned, heir to a lost generation. Shaped by the wind, and so beautiful. A long climb to the sky awaits. And when it will reach the top, and will stop the time, you will know that Kimera is much more than a dream.
Kimera Automobili introduces the K39, the first race car that will tackle Pikes Peak in 2025. It uses a hyper-restomod carbon fiber monocoque and has a completely redesigned body kit. Offered in limited numbers, road legal conversion is being considered. Just after the launch of EVO38 Integrale, Kimera Automobili has introduced another model inspired by the classic Lancia-Inspired. The Kimera K39 marks the company's first racing car, featuring a carbon fiber monocoque and aggressive aerodynamics. Digitally displayed in the iconic Martini Racing livery, this hyper-restomod will compete in the Pikes Peak International Climb race in 2025. The Chimera K39 was first announced last year, along with a sketch and a 1:5 scale prototype, giving a glimpse of what's to come. Now the company has unveiled its final exterior design, inspired by the iconic Martini Racing Team silhouette race car that held a dominant position in the World Sportscar Championship in the 70s and 80s. The K39 retains the 4-round LED headlights from the EVO37 and EVO38 restomods, but the rest of the body has been redesigned. Its most striking feature is the extended tail, which features a significant double-decker rear wing, full-width LED taillights and a triple Capristo exhaust mounted above a motorsport-derived diffuser. At the front, the model has a pronounced chin with an oversized splitter and deep vents on the hood. The fenders are quite wide and feature integrated vents and intakes, while the wheels have stylish covers. Additionally, there is a roof intake and antennas taken from motorsport. Kimera did not elaborate on the K39 specifications, but confirmed that the race car will be based on a monocoque chassis made of carbon fiber and will have an engine that will definitely make noise and be heard throughout the climb. This clearly reveals that the model is not electric, and this is clearly visible from the exhaust pipes. It would be logical to assume that the K39 will outperform the EVO37 and EVO38, which have a more powerful engine and an aggressive chassis setup. The Kimera EVO38 currently produces 600 horsepower, 447 kilowatts/608 PS, and 580 Nm, 428 lb-ft of torque, distributed to all four wheels via a motorsport-derived AWD system. Along with the launch of the new model, Kimera also announced its ambitious creation purpose. The company aims to participate in the Pikes Peak International Climb race in 2025 and prove that its performance capabilities are more than just a dream. Even more interesting is that Kimera is exploring the possibility of a road legal conversion aimed at a very select group of collectors. This special edition slot will give you access to an extremely limited and special version of the K39. I hope there will be enough interest from enthusiasts to see the K39 on the roads.